Brianacarly. So I just got out the shower and I'm about to get ready. I decided, you know what, since I'm going to re-up on some stuff, I'll try to make a video out of it. Like, I'm just going to get a couple of toiletries, some hygiene stuff, and whatever else along the way. So I said, why not take y'all with me for the first time? So I really don't have the setup in my bathroom to show y'all me doing my makeup for real. So I probably will hop back on when I'm done with that and ready to leave out. So tell me why I just got to Target and okay, why am I chickening out on taking my tripod in with me? Like, why am I nervous? Like, I got the stuff that I need with me and now I'm chickening out on bringing it in with me. Like, Bree, nobody's looking at you. Nobody gives a shit. But mental. Yeah, so I chickened out on didn't bring the tripod with me. I'm just holding it up. Oh well. I do want to get native, but not those. I told y'all that was my first time trying to do like a video of having y'all move around with me while I'm shopping, and I feel like it was atrocious. I tried my best though, so I'm gonna just put together what footage I did come up with. So I didn't think it was gonna be a sit down part, but I guess I'll explain some of the stuff that I did get. So I did get the Native body wash, and Target actually has them buy one get one 25% off, and they're like $8. So I'm like, getting 2 of them from Target is actually cheaper to get them 2 from Walmart right now. So I went on and got 2 of those to put up. I know a lot of ladies are always just like, oh, just use water and a mild soap. You don't need all those different soaps for your little Cuda Mama or whatever. But I did find a little soap that I do like, a cleanser. It's actually like $15. You can find it at Target. I found out from this because I used the Love. I found out about this because I used the Love Wellness probiotic pills, and they've worked wonders. But you know, one way to keep that pH balance: eat better and get rid of that Ninja. True story. Typical stuff, deodorant. This is the kind I use. I used to use Lady Speed Stick. Then somebody put me on to these ones, and I love them. Haven't went back. Been using Secret for like 2 years now. I thought this was so cute. I use Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing, and anytime I see a small travel size, I always get it because I do like to keep stuff in my little overnight bag or spend a night bag, whatever you want to call it. And I also got another one of the Neutrogena Sports Face. I am somebody who has always battled with acne, but I swear my face is the clearest it has ever been since I started using these two products. And I heard about these two products from my friend who went to a dermatologist, and I just got the same products that the dermatologist told her to get for her skin, and it has been working wonders for me since 2021. And so I have not switched. I do venture off with this one other product, but anytime I have a breakout, I'm putting this on my face. And I also use the bar from here too, from Cetaphil, whatever you want to call it, because this doesn't really lather. And I still like something that lathers when I feel like I got a lot going on, like if I had a lot of makeup on and stuff like that. But these two, I swear by them. And then I just got a mascara, whatever, and a little blush. I also got, you know, they have the Ulta part in the Target now. So I got an Anastasia Beverly eyebrow pencil. And so my thing is, I'm trying to get out of wearing lashes. I just want to be more comfortable with how I look without a face full of makeup, a face full of lashes. Because you know how when you take the stuff off, you feel like you look totally different. So that has been my thing. I got some little sponges to apply my new tinted moisturizer. Like, I'm trying to go as minimal as possible with the makeup thing, because I realize, like, I'm so used to putting a face full of makeup on, putting my eyebrows together, putting these lashes on, then when I'm without it, I feel like an alien. So I'm trying to get back comfortable with my skin, especially since my skin is cleared up a lot. And yeah, I'm just want to feel confident with just a plain face. Because if you notice, I even hop on here now without having my makeup done, for real. Then for my, like, you know, the dental hygiene, I just got the regular Crest 3D White. And this, I usually get the blue one, but they got me because it was a glittery casing. But this mouthwash, like, I'm not really into mouthwashes, but this one got me back into it. So I want to try this Dazzling Mint and see how it works. But yeah, bear with me. This was my first try to have y'all shop with me, and I feel like I flunked it. But content is content, so I'm just going to give it to y'all. And so, you know, I can't just hit up Target. I always got to go to Walmart too. So I ended up in Walmart, got a few items. I got a little hard drive so I can store my videos. But then I also got a scrub, Dr. Teal's. So I can be slick and smooth when I get out the shower. You know, I'm trying to be on my little clean, soft girl thing or whatever. It's like a real thing, because, you know, when you be battling depression, you skip sometimes. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So those are some of the items I got from Target and Walmart. So if you have any suggestions for things to, like, you know, smooth out skin, clear up faces, what you use, what works for you, comment those down below. I am in the process of looking for, like, a good face mask, because, like, yeah, I found my staple cleanser and moisturizer, but I am looking for, like, a face scrub that just won't tear my skin to shreds. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you clearly see I'm trying to be consistent and bring y'all some content.